let's not mind the hair. This is me sleeping on my hair. This is what it looks like. But I wanted to vlog today because today's a very exciting day. I am getting a new iMac. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hi, my name's Amy. Welcome to the video. I normally post beauty content. It's been actually a little while since I posted some beauty content because my computer has been broken, so I haven't been able to edit videos. So I purchased a new I purchased a new iMac, and so we're gonna go pick that up today. You'll probably see a beauty video before you see this video because vlogs are usually up a little bit later, and I really want to post about the Pat McGrath Utopian Dream, and I've had this footage for like a week now and haven't been able to post it, so I want that video to go first. All that to say, hi, welcome. Today's vlog, we are going to go on a little adventure and we are going to pick up my new computer. We are going to take my old computer to the Apple store, see if they can fix it. We'll see. And we are also going to unbox. But it is 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm hungry, I haven't eaten yet, and let's go get some breakfast and then head to pick up my computer. Let's go.
Can I help you?
Hi, can I get a number 2 medium with a Diet Dr. Pepper? Okay. Well, I'm so sorry I haven't chatted and checked in with you, but I was running late for my Apple Genius appointment, so I was like, don't worry about filming right now. I got a little bit of a clip of driving, and then I was like, just get there as soon as possible. So I picked up my iMac. It is in the trunk. Got to Apple for my Genius appointment. He tried pressing some buttons and that didn't work, which is, I also tried that at home. He then went in the back, took the back off, and he thought if he disconnected the battery and reconnected it, that would do it, but that did not fix it. He had to disconnect and reconnect the display, and that's what fixed it. And it seems to be fixed. I restarted it while we were there to see if it would come back up. It came back up, hoping that it comes back up when I'm at home. So I'm excited for that. And I'm hoping that the Pat McGrath video that I had started editing is all that footage and edits are on there so that I can hurry up and get that up. So hopefully I did that. And you probably will have seen that, like the video before this or something like that. So yeah, oh my gosh, that was so stressful. But now it is 11:50 and I have to go home. I have a 1 o'clock meeting. I have to log back into work. So let's go do that, I guess. All right, well, I've made it home and I've made it upstairs, and I already logged back into work. Like I said, I have a meeting, so we will talk more about my new computer after the meeting, okay? I really want to open it. The box is just sitting right there, but I'm gonna wait and I'm gonna open it with you guys. So let me hop on this call and then unboxing time. Okay. This is the best. This is the best that I could do. Don't mind the mess behind me. This is, I'm in the middle of doing like a giant declutter series that will be coming in the next couple of weeks, hopefully. So you will see that very soon. So I've got this huge box here, and you can't even see it because the box is so big. Let me see. No, I can't. The way that I have this set up is so stupid. Okay. There is a tab here to pull it open. So I don't even need scissors. Like, how genius. Look at it. It's like a little like double mint gum kind of tab. Oh my gosh, like it's so big I cannot get it in the screen. I'm not even like, okay, so look at how cute. The strap is the actual color, and here's another one of those tabs. So here she is. Oh, I'm gonna try to get it set up to where you can see what's in the box. Okay. 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 I can't. I'm trapped here. How much space do they think people have to be doing this? I don't know. Let's pull this out. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, let me put these back behind me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So there's that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. I'm so excited. Okay. Before I unravel that, I want to look at these charger situations. Look, she's so pretty. Oh my god. It's so pretty. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. Oh, okay, I need to get this set up so that I can edit. Alright, I couldn't handle the angle any longer. Okay, so I guess I'm a little bit, there's a hair stuck to my face. a little bit closer now. I'm wondering if I'll be able to tell. Yeah, you can see that that's blue. The cords, oops, are blue. And the little input is the dark blue. And the keyboard has the blue. Okay, okay. Another thing I did get is a trackpad. Because I've been editing with a laptop and using a laptop for so long. That I was like, I'm gonna need a trackpad. I'm not gonna be able to do it without one. So let's see what this looks like. So obviously this isn't blue, but you know, it'll go together. Plug that into the wall. Now I gotta plug it into the computer. So look at how pretty that color is. On the back of the computer, let me show you here. The plug-in port is there. Oh, it's like magnetized. She's in. Okay. Let's see if I can give you a little bit of what's going on here. Okay, can I turn it on? Let's see. Do these things need to be charged? I could read. Oh, I bet green's on. Okay. Green. Green. Let's press this button and see. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Trying to get you to be able to see. Hello. So this will not be its like home. I'm probably going to end up like redecorating the top of this so that I can fit this on there, and then that way I will just use that and either stand, because this is probably a pretty good height for me to stand and work, or the cord might be long enough. I don't know what I'll do. I don't know what I'll do. But I already have 2 screens at my desk, my work desk, so I can't take this over there. Hi. But anyways, I'm gonna keep setting this up. I might check in with you again, but like, how gorgeous is this? It makes me look awful. The coloring is terrible. Maybe I should have looked up that if I'm gonna have it in the background of my videos. Because it's gonna mess with my white balance. That's fun. But this camera shoots HD. Like, how that is. Tino, what are you doing? Get down. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna mess with this a little bit more, and I might check in with you after I have it all set up. Okay. Hi. It's been a couple of days. And as you can see, I have my computer set up. She's cute, right? I thought this was a cute little color to have with it. It just has all the things that are plugged in. into it behind there. That's just a candle. I don't know if that's gonna stay there. I literally just brought this over here. I haven't figured out like my backdrop, because this is what you see behind me when I film my makeup videos. So I don't know, like, for coloring and like white balance and stuff, what this blue computer is gonna do. If I'll have to have the screen on or off or what. So I'll figure that out later. For right now, I kind of wanted to see if this was enough space for me to work at, which so far it doesn't seem like optimal, but it works. So I think that works for me. And the cord is actually long enough for me, if I wanted to, I could put it on this desk that I pull out when I film. This desk isn't always here though, so that's why I didn't want to like set it up and get used to it really on this desk, because I fold this up and put it in my closet when I'm done. I filmed today, which is why it's out, and I actually am going to be filming tomorrow, and that'll probably be the last time I film for probably like a week or two, because I feel like I don't want to pre-film too much. So I need to like calm down on filming and start working on editing and getting editing as caught up as the filming. So that's kind of what I'm doing now. I'm trying to see if this is like comfortable to sit here, because this is a dresser. There's not a place for me to put my legs. I don't know if this is enough desk space for me to work at. I think I can make it work, but we'll see. So I'm gonna just turn around. Don't bother. Don't mind the back of my head. Also, don't mind the mess over there. This area looks nice and clean, but like, it's a mess. Okay.